Hey y'all, what's going on? Today is the day where all the babies get separated. So they have all completed their shed. And they're all right here. It's kind of a mess right now because I took the paper towel out yesterday. So, we are going to put them in these bins. So we're just going to do one at a time. If I can unscramble them. Come here. Do it very carefully. There we go, we got one. I'm gonna grab a paper towel because there's pee in there. Yeah, so last night right before I went to bed, they all shed. And I also took the paper towel out to help with humidity. We got one. Look at this gorgeous animal right here. I love this. In the next couple of days, I will go dive into what morph they are. But now we're just separating them out. Yeah, look at these gorgeous animals that came out. Oh, they're gorgeous. Come here. Can we untangle? This is what they do when they're first born, is they like to ball up. So, I'm just trying to untangle them. Can we untangle, please? There we go. Look at these gorgeous animals right here. Where's the camera at? Look at these. These are pretty. So we're just going to do like a little damp. This is what I'm doing just to help them out. And I'm just going to stick them back in the tub. Let them acclimate for another week before I feed them. I will put a bowl in this one. But look at these gorgeous animals. Where are you at? There you are. Gorgeous animals. Oops. I'm going to reorganize them because I like organization. This will be closer to the other ones. But look at this orange that really pops in the sky. I don't know if they're male or female yet. I'm going to wait until they get at least a few meals in them. But look how gorgeous this guy is. Very pretty. How many do we got left? We got 2. Alright. So this is how I separate them. I just put a simple paper towel. They will get a water dish. So you got 2 more right here. But I know their plumbing works. But look at this gorgeous animal right here. Oh, we got 1 more. Look at that. That's gorgeous. They will get a water dish. I just need to go find some. And then I just take them back in the bin. And just like that, this bin will get clean. Just put all that in there. That water dish, when I get it clean, it will go in there as well. I'm going to close up the incubator so we do not have any heat escaping. Because we have more babies coming soon. Let me give you guys an update on the pie clutch before we call it. There we go. And see where we are with this. So they have not shed yet. I'm going to leave them alone. It looks like they're doing very well. Looks like really good. But yeah, this is the pie clutch. So they should be shedding here in the next couple of days. I want to say thanks so much for watching. You guys have a fantastic day. Bye.